and I hope you guys are having a good day today. So this video, I'm currently editing it and I totally forgot to do an intro, or what I had intended as an intro clip. I just didn't like it. I couldn't stop looking at how bad my hair was. So currently, which is why the frame, like I'm cutting out my roots right now because I just can't handle it. Anyway, this video is all about low carb keto snacks. I'm trying out some new ones and ones that I've tried before, as well as cleaning out my bathroom drawer and like reorganizing it. That was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I ran out of toothpaste, and this is what I have to do because I've been avoiding going to the store to grab some more. So I just finished my makeup and I've had enough with how messy my drawer little area has gotten. So like I need to clean it. I can't take this anymore. I'm just gonna quickly do that. And the thing I like about when I decide to randomly start cleaning is I don't think about keeping the products and I just like start throwing everything away, which I really like. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, but let me just show you what it looks like right now. So I just did my makeup so it's even messier than it would be normally. So here it is. And yeah, now I really need to get to work. This is what it looks like empty. The top drawer. I'm gonna do the second drawer as well, but that's just hair stuff. And everything in the sink is pretty much garbage. All the plastic containers that I had were from IKEA and I just washed them, so I'm just waiting for them to dry a bit before I hand dry them, put them back in, and throw away as much as I can. I'm gonna stop moving because my arm always shakes. Hopefully this is still, but it's been a few hours and I've done cleaning the first shelf. Not that it's taken me a few hours, it's just that I went upstairs and hung out with my niece and nephew, my sister. Let me show you just how clean it looks, and like I've been opening the drawer and closing it, just be like, oh, this is so satisfying. Okay, hold on, let me show you. Hello. Okay, ready? Let's see if I can do a good shot of this. Da, 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 da. This is my travel stuff, just stuff that I wanted close by but also would take traveling. Brush, hair stuff, toothpaste, toothbrushes, teeth stuff, my makeup brushes are gonna go in there, they're just drying right now. Just some small things, lash glue, acne spot treatment, and nail stuff. My favorite lipstick, the Lisa Eldridge lipstick. And then behind here, just lashes, Morphe makeup palette that I don't use, but I like the size of the mirror. Then all my skincare stuff, extra cotton pads, measuring tape, random stuff. Then my jewelry and hair stuff, hair bobby pins and stuff like that. And then my favorite Lush product ever. So Sympathy for the Skin. I freaking love this stuff. And then just this container here with glycolic toner, just random stuff. I'm gonna move this container to the next drawer probably. I just left it there for now. Yeah, it's way more organized and I love it. Sorry, all my lighting. I had to close my blinds because it wasn't helping the lighting situation. So I also got my low carb grocery order. And I already tried this, but I got the Lily's milk chocolate peanut butter cups. They're okay. They're individually wrapped, which I guess makes sense. I can easily put it in my bag to go if I wanted to. They're definitely not Reese's Pieces, but they're good enough. And then I also got these Lily's milk chocolate style covered almonds. And then I also, sorry, my kitchen's a mess. I got a bunch of these Quest chips. I just tried the chili lime ones. They're pretty good. They're obviously not the same as like regular chips, but there's a lot that comes in one pack. Like it feels like you're like, wow, like I'm still like there's more kind of thing, which I really like. So I'm excited to try these other flavors. I've tried this one before, so I know this one's good. I want to try the ranch one. Apologize for the messy kitchen. I got Mama Lupe's low carb tortilla, and then I got Hunt's pasta sauce, no added sugar. It's only 5 grams of carbs. And you may ask, why did I get this? It's because I also got Unbuns, uncrust, gluten-free, keto-friendly pizza crust. This one is only 3 grams. All the ones that I kept finding at the grocery store that said they were like cauliflower crust had just as much carbs as regular pizza crust. So I was like no thanks. And then I got Unbun baguette buns or whatever to try because I like their other buns. Order is good. The only thing is that I paid extra to have these like ice packs in there to keep my stuff cool. But by the time I got my package, everything was warm. The ice packs had melted. So I was like, I guess like there was no damage to my stuff, but like my bread was like fully like defrosted. I don't know if it's worth it for that extra money. Maybe as it gets warmer, if I order something else, I might think about it. Depends, but yeah. Now I'm continuing to watch Iron Man 3 because I've watched all the first phase ones. I've been watching at least 1 to 2 movies a night, just trying to get through it. And then yeah, I'm just writing down ideas for YouTube and like what's gonna work good for my channel. So if you're interested in any of that on not how to grow your channel, but my thing is that I can't find anyone that I relate to in terms of how to grow like a lifestyle channel. So I just thought I would do like a mini series on my own channel showing you guys my growth from like basically from 0 subscribers to what I have now, 37, 38. But I'm hoping it'll keep me accountable. It'll be something fun to look back on to see how far I've grown, what else I've learned, and hopefully you guys like learn something along the way. Because mainly right now, people who are watching my stuff are family and friends and other new YouTubers that are trying to that are trying to support each other, I guess. So yeah, I just thought it'd be a fun thing to post. But I'm gonna continue watching my movie and think of some ideas for videos. All right, I'm a mess. I'm gonna turn on my TV. I'll see you guys later.